the previous lecture we have completed the anal molar secondary type of growth in which the position of the cambium is at normal position. But here the position of the cambium is itself is abnormal. The position of the cambium here itself is at abnormal position. Consequently, its function is also abnormal. These all are under the heading adaptive. Adaptive type of anomalous secondary growth means, in the previous class I have told you that in the adaptive type of abnormal secondary growth, this type of growth occurs due to physiological or mechanical changes. For the change of the environmental, climatic, physiological and mechanical, this type of adaptive change occurs because the plant adapts in the newly environment. So, in the heading adaptive type of anomalous secondary growth, the first was where the cambium was at normal position. We have completed all types of anomalous secondary growth, and today we are starting the new type of adaptive type of abnormal secondary growth, in which the cambium here itself is at abnormal position. Consequently, its function is also abnormal. The first is Thionia type. Here in the Thionia, the cambium ring is not continuous, rather it is in the folded appearance. The cambium ring here is not continuous, but in folded appearance. So, in Thionia type, the first is the Thionia type, in which the ring of cambium is not continuous, rather it is in folded appearance, and this is thrown into, at certain point it is at ridges. Ridges are found at certain point, and what's happened, these ridges of the cambium gets separated. In third ridges of the cambium get separated. The cambium ring is in the ridges of the cambium is separated and acts as individual cambium streak. So, in these ridges which is formed afterward, these ridges get separated and act as the individual cambium strip, and each separated in the next step, each separated strip forms its own strip. You know what is a steel? A steel is the entire mass of tissue encircled by the endodermis and pericycle. So each separated cambium forms its own strip and vascular tissue. In the next step, as the result of secondary structure of the stem consists of several stems. The result of the anomalous secondary growth is the formation of numerous stels. Formation of numerous stels are formed, and so in this case, in the Thionia, the cambium is itself is at abnormal position, and the cambium ring is not found continuous but in folded appearance, and ridges are found at certain points, and the ridges of the cambium afterward get separated, and each individual strip forms its own stele, that is vascular tissue, and the result is of numerous steles found. So these are the characters of Thionia type of anomalous secondary growth. Now the topographical structure I am sketching here. The topographical structure of Thionia stem, which is formed later on after the anomalous secondary growth. Here, after the secondary growth, you will find here the central stele, and around this several peripheral steles are found, and this is the secondary tissue. Here the next peripheral stele is found here. Here also secondary peripheral stele is here, and these are encircled by the epidermis. So this abnormal stele is known as, this is the peculiar character. Here is the secondary vascular tissue. This is the central stele, and these are the peripheral stele. So these are the structures formed after each stele is formed by the separate ring of the cambium, that is formed later on. The cambium forms ridges like structures, and each ridge gets separated, and each forms here the ring-like structure, and later on the secondary vascular tissue. In the center, that steel, this is the steel that is encircled by this cambium forms its own steel, and this is encircled by its own steel, and here is the secondary vascular bundles formed after abnormal secondary growth, and hence this is the abnormality. This is the topographical study, a sketch, topographical figure of Hainoia stem. So this is the first type of anomalous secondary growth of adaptive type, in which the cambium is at abnormal position, and hence its function is also abnormal. The second type is Sergenia type. The second type of anomalous secondary growth in adaptive heading, where the position of cambium is at abnormal position, this is the second type. So the second type of, in this heading, where the position of cambium is itself at abnormal type, the first was Thionia, the second is Sergenia type. Sergenia type. The Sergenia, it is found in a species of Sergenia which is known as Sergenia isthyoctoma. It is found Sergenia isthyoctoma. So this is the species of Sergenia. This is the species, this is the genus. So in the Sergenia isthyoctoma, that is the plant of Sapindaceae family. Sapindaceae family. The Sapindaceae family is the family of dicots, in which the famous example is Lychee sinensis, which is eaten by the mouse fork, and the Ritha, that is the common soap like that is used as the soap, is also found in this family. So in the Sapindaceae family, in Sergenia isthyoctoma, this type of anomalous secondary growth is found. Here the primary structure, in the primary structure of the stem, several strips of cambium are found. Several strips of cambium are found, and the cambium, this cambium surrounds individual xylem strand or portion of primary xylem. this cambium surrounds individual, this cambium surrounds individual xylem strand. First, several strips of cambium is found. Second is each strip surrounds its own xylem strand. So this is the second character, and as the secondary growth proceeds, each strand is surrounded by its own cambium. As the secondary growth proceeds, each strand is surrounded by its own cambial ring. In the secondary growth, each strand of xylem is encircled by its own cambium ring. What happens later on? These are the two characters in the Sergenia stem. There are several strips of cambium found. Each strip is surrounded. It surrounds its own xylem strand. When the secondary xylem starts, each of the xylem strand is encircled by its own cambium ring. Later on, what happens? In the fourth stage, the cambium starts to cut secondary xylem inward. Secondary xylem inward and secondary phloem outward. So, as usual, secondary growth, here the cambium ring, that is the newly formed, that is the ring-like structure, that becomes ring-like structure. Now it starts to cut secondary xylem inward and secondary phloem outward, and the result is that as there are many cambium rings which starts to form its own steel, and the secondary xylem is formed, secondary tissues are formed in each cambium, circular cambium rings which are formed later on. The result is that the stem, the primary stem, that is looks like looks like a bundle of stem, a bundle of stems fused together, and these all are encircled by the periderm, which is formed, that usually the normal condition, which is formed by cork cambium outside in the cortex region, and later the cells of the periderm die, and hence the stem appears as the bundle of several stem appears as many stems are fused together. So, this is the Sergenia type of abnormal secondary growth, that is found in one of the Sapindaceous plant, that is Sergenia. Now look the topographical figure of this Sergenia stems. What is the figure? What is the, how it looks? Here are peripheral steels. Here is the central steel. Here is also peripheral steel. Here is also peripheral steel. And around the peripheral steel, there is a scleral cymatus zone. And in this next, here is the epidermal layer. This is the peripheral steel. This is the central steel. And this is the cambium. This is the cambium. And later on, after secondary growth, here secondary phloem is produced. Phloem is produced, and inside it This is the metaxylem and the smaller is the protoxylem. I have sketched one of the still. Likewise here also, here also, here also. So this is the metaxylem and this is the protoxylem. Here at the time of secondary growth, inside the xylem forms secondary, cambium forms secondary xylem. Here secondary xylem, this portion is secondary xylem. This is the primary xylem. The secondary xylem is formed here and secondary phloem is formed outside here. This is the portion of secondary phloem. So in each of the structure, such type of secondary structures are produced later on after the secondary growth in Sergenia. So this is the abnormal condition because primarily the strip of cambium encircles xylem strand and later on this strip is broken into several parts and each cambium strip forms its own secondary xylem and secondary phloem. The secondary xylem is formed inward and secondary phloem is formed outward, and so this is the cortical region, that is the epidermal layer, and afterward here in the cortical region the periderm is formed. The periderm comprises what? The periderm comprises cork, cambium and internal cortex. So all three together makes periderm. So after the end of the secondary growth, the cells of the periderm gradually dies and the result is that the stem looks just like the several strands of the stem are fused together. So that is the second type of adaptive anomalous secondary growth, that is the Sergenia type. Next type of this adaptive abnormal secondary growth in which cambium is also at unusual position and its function is also unusual, is Bauhinia. Third is Bauhinia Longsdorffi type. Bauhinia Longsdorffi type. The third is Bauhinia Longsdorffi type. It is just like the Sergenia, but here the difference is that after the formation of secondary growth, the cambium strip that is circular is broken at different point, and afterward the first is it is The secondary growth is just like Sargenia, but here what happens? The rings are found later on in Sargenia in the process of secondary growth are broken. The rings form rings of cambium form later on get broken, and the secondary tissue are also broken in several parts. So that is the difference. In Sargenia, the ring of the cambium is not broken, but in Bauhinia longsdorffi, the rings of cambium are broken, and the secondary tissue are also broken in the several parts, and the result is that the stem shows a peculiar type of character, a peculiar type of structure. Here in this is the stem, the TS of a stem, in which the cambium rings are also broken, formed in the secondary growth, and the secondary tissue are here broken as irregular shape. Here the cambium tissues are broken, and the secondary tissues are also broken. So this is the broken secondary tissue, and these are the broken cambium, So the only difference lies here in Bauhinia longsdorffi and the Sargenia, that after the secondary growth, the circular cambium rings which are formed are now become broken, and the secondary tissue formed are also broken. So they are scattered inside, and this forms a peculiar structure, that is the Bauhinia, found in the Bauhinia longsdorffi. So these are the different type of adaptive type of secondary growth. So now we have completed all the adaptive and these are all adaptive type of secondary growth. So we have completed in the adaptive type the first, in which the position of cambium is at normal position, and in second case the cambium which is found is at abnormal position, and its function is also abnormal. So thank you. In the next class we will meet, and then we shall start non-adaptive type of secondary growth, anomalous secondary growth. So thank you.